Recipes are like little treasures passed down through generations, each one holding a story within its ingredients. They are a way to connect with our past, to honor our heritage, and to create something delicious to share with others. I remember my grandmother's recipe for chicken soup, a simple yet comforting dish that always seemed to cure any ailment. She would start by sautéing onions and garlic in a large pot, the aroma filling the kitchen with warmth and nostalgia. Then she would add in the chicken, carrots, celery, and herbs, letting it all simmer together until the flavors melded into a rich and savory broth. As a child, I would watch her every move, eager to learn the secrets of her cooking. She never measured anything, relying instead on her intuition and years of experience. She would taste and adjust, adding a pinch of salt here, a dash of pepper there, until the soup was just right. And when it was finally ready, she would ladle it into bowls, the steam rising up in a comforting cloud that enveloped us in its embrace. My grandmother's recipe for chicken soup was more than just a meal. It was a ritual, a way to show love and care for those around her. She would always make extra, knowing that there would be someone in need of a warm bowl of soup to soothe their soul. And as we sat around the table, savoring each spoonful, I could feel the connection between us growing stronger with every bite. Over the years, I have collected many recipes from family and friends, each one a precious gift that I hold dear. Some are handwritten on yellowed index cards, others typed out neatly on a computer screen. But no matter the form, they all carry with them the memories of shared meals and moments of joy. I have my mother's recipe for lasagna, a labor of love that takes hours to prepare, but is worth every minute. The layers of pasta, cheese, and sauce come together in a symphony of flavors that never fails to impress. And then there's my best friend's recipe for chocolate chip cookies, a simple yet irresistible treat that always brings a smile to my face. Recipes are more than just instructions on how to cook. They are a way to preserve our culture and heritage, to pass down traditions from one generation to the next. They are a way to connect with our past and create new memories for the future. And as I stand in my kitchen, surrounded by the aromas of spices and herbs, I am grateful for the gift of cooking and the joy it brings to my life. So I will continue to collect recipes, to experiment with new flavors and techniques, and to share the fruits of my labor with those I love. Because in the end, it's not just about the food we eat, but the stories we share and the memories we create around the table. And as long as there are recipes to be discovered and dishes to be savored, I will always find joy in the act of cooking.